basically, Mainstay is community outreach. It's helping Muslims come together and not only help the Muslim community, but help other communities as Muslims together. We come together and we do things for other people, but we also do things for ourselves. And it's a wonderful community, and it's a bunch of wonderful people that it's all in good fun at the same time as we're doing good things for the world.
The larger community is dependent on having the human capital. One of the pillars of the Mainstay Foundation work is to invest in the next generation of young leaders.
The organization Mainstay, I feel, is very effective. It is a national thing, and they have programs going all over the world. It's a network of communications. They're very effective, very efficient, and they stick to their plans.
At the Mainstay Foundation, there is an effort to empower. There is an effort to pass along the baton. Essentially, when we're talking about filling in the gaps, it's not just about organizations and centers and different projects, filling in the gaps between the generations.
With Mainstay, I've been able to learn new things and really get to know my religion and learn how to implement it into my everyday life. And they've taught us how to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and I hope that one day we can all be closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.